Today, we're going to create a program called Delayed Shutdown. In this project, we'll learn how to control an LED light using a simple button. It's a cool way to see how programming can make everyday things smarter. Here's how it works. When you press the button, the LED lights up. After you release it, the LED stays on for 3 seconds before turning off automatically. This feature is great for when you sometimes forget to turn off the light. You can also adjust the delay time before the LED turns off automatically. This gives you easy control over when the light shuts off. Try it out, play with the delay time, and watch how your LED responds. The more you experiment, the more creative ideas you'll discover.